Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to join my live stream. It's me, your host Crypto Moon. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good, and I'm also fine. So I am back with a new interesting topic for you. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. तो जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जो कि हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो प्रोजेक्ट है। तो हम अपना आज का टॉपिक डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा वेट करते हैं ताकि हमारे मेंबर्स हमें ज्वाइन कर लें। So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much, great users, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Good to see you here with me. Thank you so much, Raymond or the Bulls here. Thank you so much, great users or shit no just to. Thanks to all. Okay, so now let's get stream started. Today our topic and we discuss Candy Drop 99th Candy Drops X0 base ZBT trade to share 625,000 ZBT. तो आज का ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है. So stay connected with me. So Candy Drop 99th Candy Drops X0 base ZBT trade to share 625,000 ZBT. So 2025 by 10 by 17, 01 by 47.13 UTC, and the total views we have 4949 is total views. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So Candy Drops is Gate Airdrops reward platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. So we are excited and announced to the ZBT token airdrops event. Complete the task below to earn our candies and claim a share for the 625,000 ZBT prize pool or max 1.200 ZBT per users. Thank you so much, great users, for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. तो आज का ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now back to the topic and we discuss details. So future trading pool to 50,000 ZBT, individual cap 400 ZBT. Second, we have spot trading pool 250,000 ZBT, individual cap 400 ZBT. Third, we have VIP prize pool 125,000 ZBT, fixed rewards 400 ZBT. Fourth, we have airdrop formula, your candies, total candies, prize pool. Or fifth, we have sport trading task airdrops calculation formula. So your sport trading or volume, total sport trading volume of all users or prize pool. Thank you so much, Shitnu, for following me and joining my stream. Welcome to all. So next we have event period October 17, 2020-25, 13 by 10 to October 31, 2020, 25, 13.00 UTC. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for joining my live gate users. Thanks to all. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. Okay, so next we have the ZBT official page ongoing. So Zero Base is a decentralizing cryptography infrastructure networks that enable verifiable off-chain computation or using zero knowledge proof, ZKPS, and trusted executions or environments. So next we have the website or X Twitter. So total prize pool we have 625,000 ZBT. Participant we have 15904. At the end time we have 11D 02.57 or 08 seconds. So event timeline we have registrations open 2025 10 by 17 18.1000 or event ended we have 2025 10 by 31 18.0000 or the airdrop we have 2025 10 by 20 18.0000. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly. Good wishes for your project. Okay, thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Or how are you? I am good, dear. How about you? And welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. OXBit, Zping links. Okay, so now next we have future trading to share to 50,000 ZBT or individual cap we have 400 ZBT or log in and participate or complete the following task 2025 10 by 17 18 by 10.00 and the end time 2025 10 by 31, 18.0000. So that ZBT future trading task we have one candies 1000 USD, 3 candies 5000 USD, 5 candies 10,000 USD, or 20 candies we have 50,000 USD. So win up to 400 ZBT or not participated. So next we have the share rewarded. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly for your appreciation. Thank you so much dear, means a lot. Great users, thanks to all and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me, don't forget to like and follow. So next we have the share rewards. Spot trading to share 250,000 ZBT or individual cap 400 ZBT. So login and participate we have. Complete the following task 2025 10 by 17 18 by 10 o'clock to 2025 10 by 31 18.0000. So ZTB points trading task accumulate ZBT spot trading volume is equal 1000 USDT to share the total price pool or win up to 400 ZBT not participated. VIP exclusive price pool 125,000 ZBT or individual cap we have 400 ZBT. So login and participate. Eligible, complete the following task 2025 10 by 17 18 by 10.00 to 2025 10 by 31 18.0000. So ZBT future trading is equal to 200,000 USDT VIP only, or ZBT spot trading is equal 50,000 USDT VIP only. So claim 400 ZBT. The next we have the terms and conditions. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. Welcome to all. तो हम अपना आज का प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, so stay connected with me. So terms and condition we discuss. So to claim rewarded, participants need to top click to the join button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification and event task. So second we have reward will be distributed to users account within a 14 working days in after the event end. Or third we have any fraudulent actions including button account registrations or malicious trading, self-trading and coordinating trading are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity information will be considered as the same account. Subscriptions are not eligible to participate in this event. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly for always being here. Thank you so much dear for your support and appreciation, means a lot. So fourth we have this event is not open to market makers, enterprises and institutions. Affiliate accounts are not eligible for the referral type events but can join to the event. So fifth we have only fully filled orders and counted toward to this event. Parties filled on one are not counted. Thanks to all for you joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So only fulfilled orders and continue toward to this event. Parties or filled ones are not counted. So sixth we have in case of disparity between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. So get reserved all rights to the final interpretations. So 8 we have risk warning. Crypto trading is affected by many factors such as market fluctuations and policies. So this market fluctuates greatly and it's difficult to predict. Please fully understand in risks involved to the trade with caution. Okay, so 9th we have users from restricted regions have no access to all parts of this services, including participant in this event, game or competition. For more information about its restricted region, please refer to the user argument. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. Okay, so now next we have the FAQ. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? And the answer we have users participating in Candy Drops and required to complete identity verification and click the join button on this event page only after successfully joining with their activity. database to be continued, so market makers, enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Okay, so now next question we have, when will candies be distributed after completing task? And the answer we have, candies will be distributed within a 1.3 hours after users complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from candy drops after 3 hours. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful words. Okay, so now next third question we have, what is the VIP exclusive prize pool and how to become a VIP? And the answer we have, the VIP prize pool is an exclusive prize pool established for VIP users. Only VIP users can participate and receive reward as a Gauge VIP. You will unlock exclusive perks including lower trading fees or exclusive high yield or products, customizing borrowing rate, and cap one on one account, manage access to VIP on only events and exclusive gifts. And click here to team how to become a VIP. And the last question, what are the Quota based prize pool and fixed rewarded prize pool, or why are there no candies reward? So the quota based pool means that the users who such a certain threshold of the trading volume of the recharges amount during to this event will share to the neither of the other prize pools or indicated candy rewards, so not candy is distributed of this task. Thank you so much गेट यूजर्स फॉर यू ज्वाइनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. सो ये हमने ZBT के जीरो बेस के ऑफिशियल पेज को डिस्कस किया. सो नाउ वी हैव द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ जीरो बेस. तो अब हम जीरो बेस की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्कस करने लगे हैं. सो द क्रिप्टोग्राफिक ट्रस्ट लेयर फॉर ग्लोबल फाइनेंस और प्रोवाइडिंग द वर्ड प्लेग्राउंड और स्टार्ट स्टैकिंग. तो ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट जीरो बेस की हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Trillions of dollars is financial transactions require trust, yet current audit solutions are infrequent and fragmented. So real-time zero knowledge proof generation we have standard product or external product. So latest proofs or preview, daily proofs or networks revenue we have. Decentralizing or total stacked we have $428.059.305. Verifier cost effective 30 days analysis yield we have 9.00% plus 8.73%. So next we have the deposit. So the zero base ecosystem, decryptable circuits and standardizing products. So first we have ZK login, privacy preserving authentications, ZK dark pool, confident and compliant trading or environment. ZK5 we have the first ZK power established 13 products or offering risk natural returns through autonomous or onboarding or strategies. Have a great day. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful comments. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. So next we have the investor and supporters we discuss. So investor and supporter detail, it's here. Gate.io, ZK Verify, US National Science Foundation, Matrix Partners, DA05 और Nuni Yami. So न्यूज़ एंड रिसर्च वी हैव. सो न्यूज़ और रिसर्च तो इसके बारे में डिटेल दी गई है. So now we discuss zero base stacking. So zero base stack we have stack dashboard or bridges. So deposit or withdraw 0.00 basic infrastructure. So Go Binance Booster or total stacked we have $4.28.059.702. Verifier or 30 days or analyzing yield we have 8.00% to 11.05%. So next we discuss run a node. Zero base stacking, run a node or proof scan or eco products or documents. So empower to the networks. With your bandwidth and computing power, join the Zero networks and earn USDC with ideal or resources. So how Zero Base work we have? Run a lightweight client to become a HUB node. So user your ideal bandwidth to participate in Zero knowledge, proof take or secure link. So no staking required. Zero configurations, low power or operation automatically earn $ZBT rewarded or daily. Executive computing task to become a proven node. So execute high performance zero knowledge proof computations via T or suitable for services or provider with professional hardware or high stable returns or rebate management. All computing process executing privately and verifiable on chain. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we have deposit stablecoin to participate in ZK stacking. So no technical background required to earn real words or profits. All yield rates and risk parameters are zero knowledge or proofs. So real. The guidance stated with no inflections or traditional. So how to start earning online with Zero Base? We have download the app, registered for Zero Base and download the app with support withdraw or bandwidth computing resources. We have keep the applications running to share your internet connection while routing ZK proof or request. Or third, we have the withdraw. So ready to receive payments, and after receiving 30 USDC, you can apply through Business Binance, UID or withdraw in cryptocurrency. Okay, so now next we discuss proof scan. So last month proof quantity we have 289,354. Last month networks revenue is $7.283.886.0573. So TVL we have $428,059.552. So latest proof we have, so project information. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining. So the Zero Base ecosystem, डायरेक्टिव प्लेबल क्रिएटिव्स एंड स्टलाइजेशन प्रोडक्ट्स की लॉगिन प्राइवेसी, तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को डिस्कस किया जीरो बेस की. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. So now we have the official documents of Zero Knowledge. Thank you so much great users for your joining, or Black Pearl. Thanks to all for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So now we discuss the Zero Base official documents. About Zero Base. At Zero Base, we are building a high-performance, decentralizing zero-knowledge ZK, powering network optimizing for real-time computations, regularity, compliance, and large-scale commercial adoptions of mission into close fundamental trust gaps across global finance where systems remain fragmented or resistant to verification. So we operate a scalable multi-role or architecture, the roast and organization ZK proves through a hub power or coordination model. So this ensuring high availability, low latency task executions and verifiable at the cryptography or level. So our network supports a wide range of applications or including ZK Login or ZK Dark Pool, ZK Vote or ZK CEX, and offers from onboarding from developers with both standardization and custom circuit support. We are fully compliant with Circum, Grang, and supports optional or proof layers for advanced enterprises and integration. So to ensure privacy and compliance, all circuits, inputs and proceeds within the trust executions or environments and never exposed to power operators. Every proving nodes is required to stake stablecoin, ensuring performance and accountability and network security. Thank you so much Skyfall or Gate users for your joining, or Gene X. Thank you so much once again. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So today we discuss our project. So next we have our economics model. Zero base is powered by the ZBT, which services are the utility backbone of these networks or powering node, earn yield by completing proof task backed by meta story, stablecoin, or collected and performance based rewarded. So second we have hub node, earn continuous ZBT emission by routing proofs and sharing bandwidth. So journal users we have can participate in ZK stacking, where stablecoin deposit generate off chain yield through capital efficient strategy, or all return are zero knowledge or assessed on chain of transparency and auditability. So we combine ZK verification, tree privacy guarantees, and a multi-asset stacking layer to create a provable or compliant and yield generation or infrastructures. So bridging Web3 freedom with institutional grade or integrity. So baked by to the years of core researches and activities to the ecosystem partnership. Zero based is positional to become to the foundational layer of the privacy preserving trustless competition in both public and regulated environment. So resources priming proving network or stacking, we have economics model and roadmap, technical white paper Korean or Mika white paper, proving network, we have workflow, network architecture, API, TWE use case, or stacking, we have user's guide, risk control, FAQ. So next we have economics model and roadmap. So zero based token utility and economics decision overview we have. So first we discuss the main of information. Thank you so much Mitten or Ishrat for you joining. So first we discuss the main information. So total trigger, zero based ZBT, token type utility token, total supply 1000,000, ZBT fixed and non-inflationary. Token allocation summary, we have total supply 1000,000, ZBT fixed. So next we have the category allocation, vesting schedule or purpose of allocation. So category, terms and condition or advisors. So allocation, we have 20% vesting schedule, 1 year lockup cliff following by 48 month lender vested. Or purpose of allocation, we have to incentivize long-term contribution to the prompt sustainable core products or developments. So investment 11.25%, 1 year lockup cliff followed by 24 months lender vesting, or allocated to early strategies bakers of ecosystem support and protocol growth. So third liquidity 2% or fully unlocked at TGE facilitates initial or liquidity. A logical fund, we have 15% fully unlocked at TGE, support ecosystem growth, making partnership and infrastructures or expansion. So airdrop and early mining, we have 89%, 5% unlocked at TGE, 3% remaining to be released in the next month. Insensitive early participant who contributed to the bootstrapping for the proving or network. So node stake, we discuss 43.75% or ongoing rewarded lender release starting 1 month or post TGE, ongoing rewarded for stacking nodes to the ensure network security and participant. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Welcome to all. So if you have any question, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So purpose and design principle, we have ZK is the native utility token of the zero-based prover network. It is designed solely to enable access to network services and insensitive participation by users, developers, and ecosystem contributors. ZBT does not represent any ownership interest or quality stake, debit claim, or ultimate to any form of revenue, profit and assessed of the zero-based project to the affiliated or entities. So holder of ZBT may uses to the token of the payoff protocol level services and participant in certain governances process such as proposing on voting or networks parameters. So the governances high approaches or risk to the procedure to the network and do not grant any threshold shareholder rights financial returns of control over to the legal entity or operating the network. So next we have token allocation and economic management. So the fixed supply of 1 billion ZBT token has been determined with long-term ecosystem utility and protocol sustainability. So in mind, ZBT is not designed as an investment institutement and do not representations are made regarding its market or performance. So to support predictable supply dynamics, are token burn management by implemented through automated on-chain process governances by transparent parameters. This institute to adjust circulating supply based on network's activity and usage demands, not for the price triggering of speculative or outcomes. Thank you so much, Abual Onut, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So आज हम अपना project discuss कर रहे हैं. So stay connected with me. So if you have any questions so related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, great users, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much, Guy07 or Skyfall, for your joining. Okay, so now next we discuss node rewarded and T3 allocations framework. So zero-based network insensitive model or its bullets upon two descendants node type, each fulfilling and critical operational to in a decentralizing proof routing and sources or computation. So hub nodes or services to the networks or routing and bandwidth sharing layers, integrity dispatches, zero knowledge proof task from users to available proving nodes. They also contributed to in the bandwidth to the improving overall protocol refines efficiency. So no collateral is required to operate a hub node or rewarded are distributed in small amount of ZBT. Tokens are regular investable based on routing platforms, traffic contributions, and uptime. This management ensure efficiency, task distribution, or reduces latency for proving nodes and enhance the availability and decentralization of the network. Thank you so much, great users, for you joining and welcome to my stream. So proving nodes represent the high performance T executions layer of the network. So these nodes are responsible for operating zero knowledge proof with secure trusted execution environment. T forming to the cryptography backbone of zero base participant requires minimum a collateral of $1,000 in stablecoin and rewarded are distributed in ZBT or stablecoin based off the volume and quality of proof task completes or this structure insensitizes consistent high quality computing services and Peruvian infrastructures or operators. So next, building upon to the two-tiered insensitive framework or zero knowledge implementation a DAQ governed buyback or management to ensure sustainable circulations and long-term protocols alignment all networks revenue driven from the design to digital asset or income model. A fixed to 20% allocations is reserved of the zero-based foundation, supporting ongoing or researches infrastructures, maintenance, and global ecosystem expansion. So this percentage is governed by community vote and may be adjusted and the networks or evolves. So the remaining revenue primarily secured for low-risk capital management or strategies backed by node collateral are allocated to the zero-based DAQ T3. ZBT token holders may vote and how to fund are used indicated. There is no additional buybacker to the ZBT backpickers and parameters burn to the required tokens or enable dynamics control or circulating supply and referring to the protocol's monetary enhancement and the economics or reliance. So next we have the roadmap detail. So next we discuss the disclaimers. Thank you so much Crypto Champion for you joining and welcome to my stream. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Walaikum salam. How are you dear and welcome to my stream. Good to see you here with me. Okay, so next we discuss the disclaimer. So ZBT tokens are not instead for sale to individual or entities in justifications where such offering would be demand a regulated financial product or including securities or investment or contract. So second we have ZBT tokens or confer no rights to dividend profit or sharing liquidation procedure or other financial or benefits. Third we have the zero base team does not make any commitment expressed to implied regarding to the market value, prices, applications or trading ability for ZBT. So fourth, we have all token related managements and executed transparently to smart contract and the zero base terms involvement its limits to maintaining protocols or level functionality and security. Thanks to all for you joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we discuss economics model. So now we have technical white paper. Okay, so zero base all the initiations of trusted compounding and verifiable privacy. Thank you so much hate user for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Okay, now so next we discuss the zero base all the instruction of trusted computed and verifiable privacy. So next we have the introduction. So in recent years and data reserve between privacy and precious and system interoperability to the design of digital assist of the central challenges of the architecture of digital finance of sharing to the community to traditional from performance bottlenecks and implemented privacy or guaranteed so ZK base purpose a hybrid paradigm to the indicators of chain trusted executions or environments or Ts. So this one chain zero knowledge proves that KPS achieving both privacy in executions and verifiability in outcomes without on centralizing investment. So this architecture's level edges to the foundational layer to the design. So therefore zero knowledge base is not an state is the associated protocol but is the generalizing execution platform so compatible of supply. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your comment. Watching your live is always refreshing. You are talented, beautiful, and so confident. Keep up this amazing work every time. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your appreciation. Good to see you here with me. So, a vision and mission restricted to the trusted financial or CX execution. So you light up the stream with your energy and charm. Always a joy to watch you live. Keep going. Okay, thank you so much. So technical philosophy and designing principle restricted and trust boundaries between mathematical and hardware. So zero base is only married to the implemented upgrade. So minimum disclosure information. It's not longer disclosures at RWA data, but it's cryptography proof whatever represented required or risk to the yield performance or liquidity status. Zero based employs running proofs of standard ZKPS to express system or state ensuring to the users can establish trust without ensuring underlying data. For example, the statement is leveraging do not exceed 2x or daily yield for the between 0.1% and 0.3% are presented or verifiable output or rather than plentilizing or disclosure. Thank you so much, great users or DV2 Top, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now we have the official white paper. ओके सो कोरियन में भी हमें वाइट पेपर दिया गया है. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So cryptography hardness is the programmability and structure flexibility. So proof validators layer proof or mesh layer, the proof mesh layer services to the accumulations are nectar architecture, so establishing during requirement to the execution, providing to the design of digital asset organization to cryptography to the main purpose of organization or zero-based knowledge to the proof aggregations computing to the design of architecture, so resourcing proofs or including one proofs within and with another to organizing and accuracy, so cross protocol or fragmentedly to the reduces invocation to the proof across different modelers and depths for forming a proof of services data layer 117 by 19. So to addition to the design of organization, so range proofs verifying to the accumulation to the design of organization of the network's topology and nodes management to achieve to the board susceptibility and resistance agents with the various design of infrastructure. So fig 3 node assign we have as shown in figure 2 to the logic distance between any two nodes is defined at the decided XOD to the their node ID from the distance or given to node with ID X or uses solely to the conclusions target to the design responsibility of maintaining of the meaning of the data assessed. Thank you so much, Eon or wealth creation pioneer. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Every time you go live, it's like a good vibe. You are only doing great, fun, friendly, and full of energy. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. So booster concepts node and initial are connection to boot faster or node to do day ads, but initial K bucket. So initial lookup hub and send to a find hub. Request to the Y using X on and node ID and its target. So neighbor discovery not yield organization. Okay, so crypto मैकबुक ने भी हमें comment किया है. Hello everyone. Hello dear. How are you? Have a nice day to all you too dear. Good to see you here. Okay, thank you so much Crypto MacBook for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So this process guarantee rapid integration of new nodes or into the network's logical or topology. So give demanding to the design of digital assets. So Sabely attacked as Sable attack refer to the scenario to the which a malicious hub node integrator assume or multiple identifier with the networks with the each institutional refer to the design of organization. So resources to the worker, lockup potential to deserve to the specific work needs to the design and organization. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion or Crypto MacBook. Your vibe is unmatched. You speak so well and your confidence shines through. So proud to see you growing. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your appreciation. Welcome to my stream. So advanced resourcing attack, advanced routing leads to the design involving zero base to the architecture. So routing table computing by introductions facilitating routing information of exploring to the design that attracts many and reduces through to the complement or communication or descriptions by onboarding connectivity between selected nodes and the broader networks of all services as included potential networks or outage in create parameters or subgraph. Good work dear. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook, means a lot. Thank you so much dear for your support and appreciation. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. तो आज हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट कवर कर रहे हैं, तो इसी तरह से सपोर्ट करते रहिए. ओके, सो गुड इवनिंग टू डियर. आई होप आपको भी प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, तो आप प्रोजेक्ट कब करेंगे. Thank you so much Crypto Champion. You have a natural talent for streaming. Your smile, positivity and attraction make every session so worth watching. Oh, thank you so much Crypto Champion. Means a lot. Thank you so much for always being here. Thank you so much, Rear. Means a lot. Okay, so now next we have verifiable to management ZKP generated for executions content 440 per. Okay, thank you so much Crypto MacBook. आपका बताने का शुक्रिया. हम आपको भी ज्वाइन करेंगे और आपके टॉपिक और प्रोजेक्ट को इंजॉय करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. ओह सॉरी क्रिप्टो मैकबुक. Okay, so now data confidently management and of end encryptions and end closures execution. So verifiable management that keep generating from execution or content privacy preserving or competition. Inshallah. Okay, so now each templates maps specific task type to end operators or accurate consecution. So privacy preserving computing और zero knowledge zero based. So crypto champion आपने हमें दावत देनी थी, शायद आप भूल गए हैं. So verifiable management ZKP generated from executions or content. So communication descriptions by abstractions conventionally between selected nodes and the broadcast network and versus to included parallel networks or outlets to create traditional or subgraphic. Okay, so I think crypto champion चले गए हैं. It's okay. So algorithm optimization we have. Witness compression reduces proof size by pioneering reducing witness to the design organization. So compressibilities to mix management or architectures due to infrastructure. So compressibilities. So mix management execution within a data infrastructures of proof mesh layer parameter or through to the layer scenario to the management snapping or hardware basis instant protocol. So zero based delivers a robust privacy competition or organization. So security foundation and attack resolutions to the strategy or users engagements privacy and applications of architecture. Thank you so much Mitten for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all for you joining and appreciation. So मैं आज अपना प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream topic or project, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next we have the table ZPT token allocation and visiting schedule. So token allocation and economics management building upon to the duty layers and sensitive frameworks. So zero knowledge base to the implementation of organization to the digital modeler or architectures in remaining to the design. So node rewarded and TSR allocation framework we have zero based network and sensitive model to bit upon two distance node type each flirting to the executions operations role model. So hub node services are networks routing and share band with layer intelligence dispersing zero knowledge and proof. So V2 roadmap, the zero-based roadmap in showing in pic. So reference we have B scenario to the design of zero map roadmap to the design of architecture to the digital assessed. तो ये हमने जीरो बेस को डिस्कस किया. सो नाउ वी हैव द जीरो बेस इन कोरियन लैंग्वेज. ओके, तो हम ये तो डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So now we have powering network. So workflow network architectures IMG. So zero based prover network architectures API workflow tree we have. SKV technical overview. Use case we have zero based stacking, previous technical white paper Korean, or now we have the next workflow. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So workflow, customer users, zero base hub or previous node. So zero base hub we have. The zero base hub services at the center a coordinations modeler for the zero base network is responsible for broadcasting verification, task dispensions or prover nodes or handing users proof request. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So before submitting a zero knowledge proof, ZK SNRK request users or must first register at their task with the zero base hub. So once the task is registered successfully, the hub broadcast is across to the zero base network's prover nodes to the respond with the specific time window are added to be a candidate pool from which a submittant is randomly selected to perform to the proof generation. So the core responsibilities of the hub include maintaining a list of active nodes and the network's guarantee or connection quantities of their nodes processing, heartbeat or packets sent by them are responding to the client's requested for node information. So when a client initials a request to the hub selected for available nodes from to the node pool and return to the connected details organization of HTTPS request to the hub to the create of new orders or the design of digital assist organization or algorithm are returns into the clients during to the verification phases. So this client send to the order ID back to the hub which distributed is the selected prover nodes and returns their connection information to the client. Thank you so much Xwin for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. तो आज मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रही हूँ तो इसी तरह से मेरे साथ बने रहिए. Don't forget to like and follow. Welcome to all. So prover node next we discuss. Prover node is the zero-based networks are the combinations entities or responsible for the generating ZK SNRK proof each and receiving input detail or input node receiving input data for clients executed to the designated circuits complications and return to the resulting proof via to the zero base API. The node predictably send heartbeat or is packet to the hub contribution. The security of the entire communication system depends on the confidently of connection containers, especially to the integrity of public key. Meanwhile, its stability of nodes and the representative of task scheduling and ensuring through to the regular transmission of heartbeat packets or throw in the layer, the architecture zero-based archive or high-performance trustless coordination and scheduling of ZK computing or task. The next we have the network architecture. Network architecture zero-based prover network architecture. Thank you so much Claire Zalva 90 for your joining. Xwin Skyfall. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So network architecture, zero-based prover network architecture. So in this network architectures of zero-based prover network, each node is assigned to the specific or subset or the corresponding hub is responsible for maintaining to the status information. So through the mismanagement of node only communicates with the design hub with effectively reducing to the communication overhead and management complexity of the system while improving its overall operation or efficiency. Under this architecture, if this number of the node increases significantly, the system can still maintain or stable operation by dynamically adding hub to ensure to the efficiency and scalability of the networks in addition. So when a hub fails or fail, other hub can take over to the nodes it manages, thereby ensuring to the high availability and robustness of the network. Thank you so much T-Rex for you joining or enjoying. So in order of further improvement to the security or scalability of the network's node or must complete to the organization of operations before joining to the networks, this management do not only ensure that the nodes comply with the protocols or specification but also effectively to the prevent potential or malicious behavior and enhance the security potential capabilities of the entire or system. So zero-based prover network services are foundational infrastructure for a wide range of zero knowledge or based application enable efficient and scalable proof generating across various cryptography users cases such as ZK CEX or ZK Dark Pool and ZK Login. Thank you so much, Flasher373, for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So now node partitioning. So the node partitioning to the based on consistent hashing algorithm will be the explained in algorithm within an example. Suppose to there are currently 3 hub of an n node, we node allocated to the node of different hub. First we number the third hub as hub 1 and hub 2 are arranged them to the workwise and hash to hub 0% on the dog. So similarity we can calculate it to the position of the hub 1 and hub 2 using to the same method as shown in the diagram or below. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So today is my project day. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So in this diagram, above to the position of hub 0 is the tick 0 with the tick to the left of hub begin to 32 and I2 to the tick high of high begin. When adding a new need, we had nido p IP to the port of get node. Nido we place node 0 at the position hash or nido on the clock, the hub corresponding to node. So is this first hub in correcting moving or collectivity from node position the show in the diagram or below. So in this diagram above, a total of nodes have been added and the computing position as shown according to the rules. Hub is the responsible for node 2 and node 3 hub. It is responsible for node 0 and hub 2 is responsible for node 1. So adding hub we have when the member of node become exclusive, resulting is the high load of the hub. Additional hub can be introduced into the maintaining optimal system performance. This process is following when a new hub 3 is to be added to the IP addresses of hub 3 is the hash to yield hash hub 3 to the design of position on a scale corresponding to hash hub to the aliases in the diagram or below. So given the additional of hub 3 is necessary to relocated nodes or according to the established nodes, Paristonging rules as shown in the diagram, the node corresponding to the node must be translated from to the hub 2 or hub 3. So removing hubs we have, if a hub fails, it's essential to ensure to the continued operation of the node. So it was responsible for by relocating nodes to their hubs to the organization. So the process is the follows. When hub failed is the first removed from the ring. Additionally, node must be resistant to the hub 2 and displayed to the diagram or below. So through the uses of consistent hashing algorithm, only a small portion of nodes with the ring space is needed to the design and organization or demonstrating robust or fault tolerance and scalability. So virtual nodes we have in certain scenarios to the redeeming of the design of organization or in hashing algorithm can lead to the critical insured data escape where a measure of nodes and allocated to a limited number of this hub. So this problem is particularly or pronouncing with the number of this hub as low as uneven distribution of this hub around to the ring and used result to the organization. So when the number of the hub is inflated, the specific between hub may be too great, leading to the design of organization. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So operation management we have to mitigated the Hodel imbalance to the among difference or hub caused by the data skew. We can map can be hub to multi-pair virtual node is established node operating particulations to the mode loader is effectivity communication with the hub corresponding to the virtual nodes. For example, consider to the scenarios with the hub 0, 1, 2, 3 to the nodes of organization to the design node is allocated to hub 2. So next we have participating customer or consuming provision node, request node hub, customer submitting organization, send proof generating to the organization of data assessed or send proof, digital organization, responding proof or role description. We have zero based hub. The zero based hub is the core modeler of the network responsible for the task broadcasting powering node of organization. So SEV technical overview. SEV secure encrypted to the design of modular computing modeler with ADM architecture. It aims to enhance its allocation through cryptography by encrypted nodes and data traceability, protecting code from the attacks by their higher privileges code. So no confirmational computing system operation or the ring-based organization to the guest or HV. So each VM to the organized metabolism. Thank you so much, CryptoFiller, for you joining. Kaya07, thank you so much once again. Yabasir, Walker998, thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Gate users. So use cases we have zero basis stacking, the solution zero knowledge or eventual proofs and homographic communications or verify hyper fund investment to the organization of digital assets in multiplayer or ZK login stack or start NAT ZK login utilizing zero knowledge proof or enable users to authenticate blockchain transaction on start NAT using exciting courtesies to open deconducted enable to platform Google Facebook without disclosing sensitive information on relying or additional trusted partners. ZK login Tomo wallet. So ZK base is collaborative to the design, organization and digital data assessed in multiple layers to the infrastructures of organization which minimizing to the design of crypto assessed in intography or different stacking. So ZK pool Linux we have ZK is in innovation decentralizing exchanging DEX with the insensitive leveraging to the design of organization to unscrew privacy protection especially for users exclusions layer or teasering. So Tiga processor Polyhydra we have ZK Proof Unify. It's collaborative with Unify to the trigger Tiga process is a BNB chain to the organization or trade expanding complexity collection to the circuit or computation. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So next we have the setting users guide, the quick will walk you will throw to the setup to deposit risk control FAQ. What is the collection of common question or organization or previous use cases or use guide. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining. Use guide we have how to deposit fund. Deposit funds on zero base allows you to stake your assessed and earn rewarded. Follow these steps. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. तो आज हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो इसी तरह से मेरे साथ बनिए रहिए. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thanks to all and welcome to my stream. Okay, so now back to the topic. So follow the step, connect your wallet. So click the connect wallet button in the top base of the right corner, or second select your preferred wallet to organization. So third we have to select the network uses to the drop down menu to the top to the choose to the network for staking e.g. BNB chain or chosen deposit or option. So fourth we have select your assessed. At fifth, we have entered the amount input to the desired amount in the stake field you available balance with the display or organization. So next we have the risk control. So zero-based particularly to the design of successfully creating zero-based stacking utilizing zero knowledge proofs to evaluate to the risk naturally to enable strategies. So when strategies are risk natural to the process of be appear but is the risk to the reminder of organization to the digital assessed in cryptography. So zero-based stacking organization, so zero-based stacking utilizing zero knowledge proofs to evaluate to the risk naturally for eligibility, organization or digital assessed in minimum time to strategies when the strategies are risk natural to the progress by a process to the blue. If risk naturally to the blockchain, its return to the proof are generated by the zero-based proof networks and verifying through a verifications or effectivities that verify and Libra. So what we have the workflow when users take found into the zero knowledge in organization to the digital assessed in cryptography to the market polarity to the currency currently zero based by partners with four liquidity lungs leveraging advanced management such as quantitative analysis or portfolio balancing to the handling funds and dynamically allocated based on performance or enhanced networks or return and reducing overall strategy or risk. Thank you so much, Juni Trader, or Dead Quietly. Okay, thank you so much to all of you for your joining Skyfall. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So okay, FAQ हम discuss कर चुके हैं. So next we have a complete resources scenario. Workflow. How to check ZK risk natural proof. So on the staking products page, observing to the proof progressive organization to digital assessed and creating to the data entry barrier of organization, so to the milestone in different currency sources. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So risk naturally to the proof bar will be the blue area or the organization that is known risk or naturally is be ready. So further examination. So open the resources of certified browser and click to the zero-based staking related or proof. So check the click button in organization of digital assessed. In communication, check the verification result. Or in this indicator at the verification is successfully and the risk manually of the funding requirement in organization strategy is establishment. Thanks to all for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow FAQ we discuss. The next last we have the article. So completely resolving or SNRA. So the application of ZK Snark master to the Ethereum trend or dialogue with zero basis. ZK converts to the large scale zero knowledge technology, a redefined DeFi online listing analysis of a zero knowledge consorable Tendor cache or from V1 to V2 liabilities. ZK knowledge is future securing ZK knowledge of proof virtual. Thank you so much once again to all of you. So please stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So ZKC elimination. तो ये हमने ZK बेस का ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स डिस्कस किया. तो आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. सो टुडे ओवर टॉपिक एंड वी डिस्कस सो कैंडी ड्रॉप्स 99 कैंडी ड्रॉप्स x0 बेस ZBT ट्रेड टू शेयर 625,000 ZBT. So 2025 by 10 by 17 01 47 13 UTC and the total views we have 4949 is total views. So Candy Drop is Gate Airdrop rewarded platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to announce the ZBT tokens airdrop event. Complete the task below to earn candies and claim to share of 625,000 ZBT. Price pool max 200 ZBT per users. Thanks to all for you joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So detail we have future trading pool 250,000 ZBT, individual cap 400 ZBT, stop trading pool 250,000 ZBT, individual cap 400 ZBT, VIP price pool 125,000 ZBT fixed rewarded 400 ZBT airdrop formula. Your candies, total candies or price pool sport trading. Task airdrops calculating formula your sport trading volumes, sport trading volumes to the all users price pool. So event period October 17, 2020-25, 13/10 to October 31, 2025, 13.00 UTC. Next, we have future trading pool rules. So during this event, users can cumulative ZBT future trading volume, open closer 100,000 USDT, earn candies and share the 250,000 ZBT pool. Max 9 candies per users with a cap of 400 ZBT. The rewarded rules are as following. So ZBT trading volume 1000 USDT 1 candy. ZBT trading volume 5000 USDT 3 candies, ZBT trading volume 10,000 USDT 5 candies, or ZBT trading volume 50,000 USDT 20 candies. So, two, we have spot trading pool rules. Users can cumulative ZBT spot trading volume buy or sale is equal 1000 USDT can share a price pool of 250,000 ZBT based on their ZBT spot trading volume with a cap of 400 ZBT. The more you trade, the more rewarded you earn. So VIP 3 users price pool rules. So during the event, users the VIP or receiving a fixed awarded of 400 ZBT after completing the following support trading of tasks. The true price pool is 150,000 ZBT available on a first come first served or basis. Rewarded will be distributed collectively after this event ended. The reward rules as follow. So ZBT spot trading volume 550,000 USDT, ZBT future trading volume 200,000 USDT. So project introduction we have. Eurobase is a decentralizing cryptography infrastructure network that enable verifiable on-chain computing user zero knowledge proof ZKPS. So zero-based developers programmable compliance aligned staking and transparent cryptography ensure without exposing sensitive or data. So token ZBT official website, the link is available, and official X link it's also available. So now we have the notes. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So note we have participant must click to the join button on the event pages after successfully join this event. They must complete to the event task and identity verification to receive rewarded. Second, we have rewarded will be distributed to users accounts within a 14 working days after the event end of this event. Third, we have this is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts, engagement to the malicious wash, trading to the self-bind or self-selling of any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts or same verifying will be considered to the same account. Sub-account are not allowed to participate in activities. So market makers, enterprises and institutional are do not allowed to participate in this event, or agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation type activities while other activities are unrestricted. So fifth, we have in cases of any discrepancy between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. So Gate has the final interpolations rights for this event. The users in this restricted areas cannot be a part of the services, including participating in this event, game or composition. For more information about restricted areas, please read the user argument. Thank you so much, Skyfall, and all of you for your joining. Thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So next we have the risk warning. Users may pay attention to the effect to the virtual currency trading. It's affected by variant factors such as the market and policies. So this market is high volatility and the price implications are difficult to predict it. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade accuracy. So next we have the Gate team. October 17, 2025, Gateway to Crypto trade over 3.500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. So take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. So stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight or transparency and security. So check our 100% proof or reserve. Okay, thank you so much once again to all of you for your joining. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to the stream, project or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, Shitno Walk and See Skyfall. Gate users, Yeon or the bullies here. Thank you so much to all of you. Okay, so now today our topic and we discuss Candy Drops 99 Candy Drops X0 base ZBT trade to share 625,000 ZBT. तो ये था आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया कैंडी ड्रॉप 99 कैंडी ड्रॉप्स X0 बेस सी और ZBT ट्रेड टू शेयर 625,000 ZBT. तो आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड अप्रिसिएशन. थैंक यू so much once again. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now it's time to wrap up. Okay guys, that was my topic for today. I hope you all enjoying it. Thank you so much for joining my live. A special thanks to my all followers and all my friends. So I will meet you again tomorrow with the new interesting topic. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.